Good morning, children. Welcome to our math session. Now, children, as you know, in our previous session, we finished chapter 6, coins and currency notes. Teacher explained you in 3 parts, correct? So, today we will be doing revision of chapter number 7, measurement. That will be part 1, okay? This lesson I have already taught you earlier, as I have told you in every session, that we are doing the revisions of the lessons which we have finished earlier, correct? So let us move to the first question. Question number 1. Write which unit of measurements will be used to measure the following things. Question number 1. I repeat. Write which unit of measurements will be used to measure the following things. Which unit of measurements you are going to use to measure the following things. Let us see the things. Fruits. Now fruits. Fruits, how we will measure? Are we going to measure it in centimeter? Do we get 2 centimeter grapes, 3 centimeter mango, 1 centimeter apple? No, correct. Do we get in liters, like 1 liter apple, 1 liter mango, 1 liter banana? No. We get fruits in grams or kilogram, like 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, correct? So, we get fruits in grams or kilograms. Correct, children? Next question. Kerosene. Now, do we get kerosene in kilogram? 1 kg kerosene, or 1 centimeter kerosene, or 3 centimeter kerosene, or 5 kg kerosene? No, we get kerosene in liter or milliliter because it is a liquid form. Kerosene is in a liquid form, so we get in liter or milliliter. So children, we get kerosene in liter or milliliter. Which measurement we use for taking kerosene? Liter or milliliter. Wheat. When we go to buy wheat from a grocery shop, do we take wheat or we ask the grocer to give 4 centimeter of wheat or 4 liter of wheat? Yes, children, do we? No, we say grams or kilograms. If we want wheat in a grams, we say 250 grams, 50 grams, 100 grams of wheat, correct? Or kilogram if we want in a larger quantity, like if we want 1 kg, 3 kilogram or 4 kg or 5 kgs. So wheat is measured in grams or kilograms. It is not measured in liters and milliliters or meter and centimeter. Okay, it is measured in grams or kilograms. Now your school bag. How your school bag is measured? How your school bag? Now if you are having your school bag, you will have books also inside that, correct? So that bag, how it will be measured? In kilogram. You can't measure your bag with the book. If it is an empty bag, then it can be measured in centimeter or it can be measured in meter. But if it is your school bag, that means school bag means full bag of books and compass box and many study materials, correct? So that is measured in kilogram. So your school bag is measured in kilogram. Now length of your classroom. Now children, you have to measure your length of your classroom. How you are going to measure it? In kg, are you going to say my length of my classroom is 10 kilogram? No, we can't pick that classroom up and we can weigh it in a weighing machine, correct? So it is measured with a tape measure. So it is how we will measure. Which unit you will use to measure the length of your classroom? Meter, correct? Length of your classroom is measured by meter. Now petrol. Which unit you are going to use for petrol, for measuring petrol? Liter or milliliter. How can we measure petrol in kilogram? No. Then can we measure in centimeter? No, it is measured in liter or milliliter. It is a liquid, correct? So it is measured in liter or milliliter. Now filling the blanks. The standard unit of capacity of a container is dash. I repeat, the standard unit of a capacity of a container is dash. Liter. This, children, this filling the blanks you have to learn. I'm going to ask you this all in the exam. So this exercise or this video I have made through exam point of view. So learn all this and learn all these questions also, children. This filling the blanks, type the way which I have asked this filling the blanks, I can ask you in any way. The standard unit of a capacity of a container is liter, or I can ask the dash unit of a capacity of a container is liter. So you can write the standard unit, correct? So it can be either way I can ask you. So you have to learn this filling the blanks very thoroughly, okay? The standard unit of a capacity of a container is liter. Repeat, children, after me. The standard unit of capacity of a container is liter. The standard unit of capacity of a container is liter. Now, Ram bought dash of rice. Ram bought dash of rice. 5 kg or 5 centimeter. Now children, if your mother asks you to bring rice, will you bring in centimeter or will you bring in kilogram? Do we will go to the grocery shop and we will say, give me 5 centimeter of rice? No. What we will say? 5 kilogram of rice, 5 kg of rice, correct? So Ram bought how many kg of rice? 5 kg of rice. Ram bought 5 kg of rice, not 5 centimeter. Ram bought 5 kg of rice. Rice is measured in kilogram. 1 meter equals to dash centimeter. 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. 1000 or 100. 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. 1000 or 100. 100 centimeter. Repeat after me, children. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100. Correct. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kg, that is 1 kilogram. Now what is the short form of kilogram? Kg. So 1 kg is equal to dash grams. 1 kg is equal to dash grams. Tell me, children. Very simple. We have done measurement in our previous sessions. We have done measurement in 5 parts. So I think now the lesson is very thorough to you. So you should know all this on your tip of your tongue. 1 kilogram is equals to dash grams. 1000 grams. Correct. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Repeat after me, children. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Now take the correct option. My pen is 15 dash long. My pen is 15 dash long. A kg, B centimeter, C ml, that is milliliter. What will be your correct answer? My pen is 15 dash long. 15 kg long or centimeter or milliliter. Wait, children, 1 minute. 15 centimeter long. My pen is 15 centimeter long. Next question. Salt is measured in dash. Salt is measured in dash. A kilogram, that is kg. B, that is liter. C, that is ml, milliliter. Salt is measured in A kg, B liter, C milliliter. How you are going to measure salt? When you go to buy salt, what we say? Give me 1 liter salt, give me 1 milliliter salt, or give me 1 kg salt. 1 kg, that is 1 kilogram. Salt is measured in kilogram. Salt is measured in kilogram. Salt is measured in kilogram. Now move to the next question. 1 liter is equal to dash ml. 1 liter is equal to dash ml. A 100, option B 1000, option C 10. 1 liter is equal to dash ml. Option A 100, option B 1000, option C 10. What is your correct answer, children? 1 liter is equal to how many ml? 1000 ml. Correct. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Repeat after me, children. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Next question. Cooking oil is measured in dash. Cooking oil is measured in dash. Option A gram, option B meter, option C liter. That is G is for gram, M is for meter, and L is for liter. So cooking oil is measured in what? In G, M or L, that is gram, meter or liter. Children, cooking oil is a liquid. So how you are going to measure it? In gram, meter or liter? Liter. Cooking oil is measured in liter. Okay. Next. The capacity is measured in dash. The capacity is measured in dash. Option A M, that is meter. Option B L, that is liter. Option C cm, that is centimeter. The capacity is measured in dash. Option A meter, option B liter, option C centimeter. What is your correct answer, children? The capacity is measured in what? Meter, liter or centimeter? Liter. The capacity is measured in liter. The capacity is measured in liter. The capacity is measured in liter. Next. Now with this, children, we finish our today's session of measurement part 1. I have given you all this question. Now see, the first question that we did was, wait, I'll show you how you are going to write all these questions in your rough book. Okay? Or if you have made a maths classwork, then write it in the maths classwork. Question number first, you are going to write this. Write which unit of measurement will be used to measure the following things. Okay? Write this first question number 1. Then you are going to write this, that fruits. Then you are going to write the answer by yourself. Okay? Grams or kilograms, that you are going to write by yourself. First you are going to write the question. Copy all the question number 1. Then copy this question number 2, that is kerosene. Then copy the question number 3, that is wheat. Then copy the question number 5, your school bag. Then copy length of your classroom, that is meter. Then liter or milliliter. Then copy this, filling the blanks. In filling the blanks also, you will write the question, that is the standard unit of capacity of a container is dash. This liter answer you have to write it by yourself. Okay, don't copy it from the slides or the video. Then this also, again copy this question, write the answer by yourself. Okay, like that all the questions you are going to copy. Then the third, you are going to write the tick the correct option. In tick the correct option also, write all the options, write the question and write the options. Then tick the correct options, whichever you feel is right. Okay. Then after you finish this, copy all the question in your book and then you start writing your answer. Okay, then you start writing all your answers one by one, and then if you find any doubt, then you can check with the video or with the slides. Okay children, so till then keep practicing, keep learning. See you in the next session. Bye children, see you soon.